Hi guys, we're doing a bouquet series, and that essentially means that I am making several different kinds of flowers, wildflowers to be more specific, and in the end I'll make a rustic bouquet for you. I know that Valentine's is right around the corner and this bouquet would make an awesome gift, but to be honest, I'm a buy my own flowers kind of girl, or in this case, I'm making them. And I have selected my ultimate favors. I hope they're yours too, so join me. To start off this series, we're making a sunflower. Let's do it. We will need two 3.75-inch yellow squares. Okay, first step is taking care of those petals by turning those yellow squares into circles. Then we fold them in half and start creating some petals like so. Now the brown strips are for the inside of our sunflower and we're making little fringes. The green rectangles are for our leaves. Okay, now we cover the wire with the green tape like so. And this tape can be a little bit challenging. It will often get unglued in places while you're trying to glue other places. Just be patient and do the best you can. Remember, this will be for a bouquet, so odds are you won't even get to see this bit. Okay, now to glue the brown fringes to the wire like so, making the center of our flower. Don't forget to add some glue to the bottom to make sure it all stays in place. Next, let's make a small hole in the middle of those petals like so we can slide them down the wire into place. We then add some more glue and here we go. Now, for our second row of petals, remember to mismatch them. And what I mean by this is, instead of placing one petal exactly on top of the other perfectly, just slide it to the side to make sure you can see all those little petals from the top. This gives it a fuller look and more natural too. Glue the two layers together like so. Then turn the green square into a circle and cut out about a quarter of that circle in order to make a cone. Add it to the bottom of the sunflower petals and glue it in place. Last but certainly not least, we add the leaves to our beautiful sunflower. Just pinch the leaf in half, add some more glue and attach it to the wire. Repeat these final steps with the second leaf. And that's it, our sunflower is complete. Do as many sunflowers as you'd like for your very own bouquet, and I will see you for part 2. We'll be making some poppies next. I'll see you there. Bye bye!